Introducing the Sense family of intelligent, powerful IoT devices from Omni-ID. Harnessing the power of BLE, LoRaWAN, Cooper and GPS to create robust, effective and accurate devices that will help define the future of the Internet of Things. This new generation of IoT devices will seamlessly provide the valuable tracking, monitoring and sensing data you need whilst increasing productivity, creating greater efficiencies and reducing costs. If you are involved with construction, intermodal, oil and gas, transportation, mining or facilities, and you need help with condition monitoring, container tracking, worker accountability, asset management, fleet monitoring, material flow, yard management, parts replenishment, or early detection of emergency, then the Sense family of IoT devices could be a game changer for you. They have up to a 15-kilometer range, but are accurate to within a few inches, and have a battery life of up to 5 years. They are license-free and use the same frequency bands as UHF and RFID. There is full after-sales backup, as you would expect from an established global leader in RFID and related technologies. To find out more about how the Sense range can start connecting your business to the Internet of Things, visit www.omniid.com/sense or email sales@omniid.com and we'll be in touch. Sense, intelligent, powerful IoT devices.